It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing part 2 of my Christmas take down and redecorate. If you guys seen my last video, I took down all of the Christmas decorations and cleaned just a little bit, but today I'm going to be deep cleaning the house and putting all of our old decorations back up. I honestly don't even remember what I had in some of the places, so this should be interesting. So if you guys want to see how I clean and redecorate my home after the holidays, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's get started with our cleaning. In the previous video, I took down all of our Christmas decorations and started on cleaning, but today we are totally tackling the cleaning and redecorating. So I'm starting out by dusting all the areas in our master bedroom. So I'm just giving everything a good wipe down with this antibacterial Pledge multi-surface spray. This stuff is great because you can use it on wood, you can use it on electronics, mirrors, glass, pretty much anything. So it's a really neat product. And I don't know what it is, but after taking all of the decorations down, it seems like it makes everything that much more dirty and dusty. So I'm just giving it a quick wipe down of the nightstands, all the dressers. I'm even doing our hall tree in our hallway in the main living area just to make sure it's nice and clean. I had a runner on there and Brooks was cracking me up. He's just my little shadow throughout these videos, but he has to be the center of attention and it's so funny. But now I'm wiping off my kitchen table with that same spray, and I'm also wiping down the bench and all of the chairs since we have hosted quite a few like family gatherings and had friends over, so it's definitely needed. But this product is literally great for everything, and I'm just using it everywhere that's needed with a little dish towel.
I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Crazy how bare the house looks with all of the Christmas decorations down. I got this bookshelf here right before Christmas and I had it all decorated, but now that Christmas is over, I'm like, what do I even put on it? So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I ended up moving those stacked books over there and a sign, but that is it. So I definitely need to fill it up, but I also like the minimalistic look. It wouldn't be a cleaning video if I didn't have some dishes to do, so I am undoing the dishwasher and putting everything away, and then I'm going to put another load in. I don't know why, but it seems like I always forget to put my dishes away after I've washed them. Let me know if you guys struggle with the same.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
By this point, I needed a little bit of cleaning motivation, so I put on Alexandra Buter's YouTube channel and watched her for a little bit, and that really helped. But I'm wiping off my countertops with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the peppermint scent. I love this scent still throughout the winter months, and if you guys want to get your hands on some Mrs. Meyer's products, I will have a link down below if you want to get your 5-piece set of Mrs. Meyer's cleaning supplies for free with a $20 purchase.
Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into
I also made sure to wipe down our pantry door. This is something that kind of gets neglected and I never think about, but I always try to wipe the handles and the surrounding areas around. I had a Christmas wreath up there and it left a couple scuff marks on the door, so that's what I originally went in for, but while I was at it, I wiped the whole door down just to make sure it was nice and clean, and the top of the trash can. And then I grabbed a wreath that I always have on the door. It is by the Hearth & Hand brand from Magnolia at Target. And I also got this bread box from Rural King. I have been eyeballing one of these for so long on Decor Steals and Amazon, but I found this one for $12 at Rural King. So if you like the bread boxes, definitely check them out there. I couldn't believe how good of a deal it was. And then I got a KitchenAid mixer for Christmas, so I'm going to set that out on my countertops from here on out. And I also got this little Hearth and Hand stand from Magnolia that I'm setting up over there in the corner as well. And here's an overview, pretty simplistic, but I do like to fill my countertops with a little bit of something. Our coffee station stayed the same, and this little shelf still has some stuff on it as well. So that is the kitchen. Now for my Ray Dunn mugs, I got this mug rack for Christmas and I am so pumped about it. I really needed something to clear up some counter space with all of my Ray Dunn mugs, and this is perfect. I had been eyeballing one on Decor Steals. It's basically a website that has daily deals that you can get at a really good price, and it texts you every day with new deals. But we missed out on that, so we actually ordered this from Pottery Barn, and I love it. It's great quality, it's very sturdy, and it's secure. It comes with everything you need to hang up your mugs and everything. So I'm then hanging some lamb's ear around it, and I love it so much. I am obsessed.
I'm picking up the speed. Cause you will always be there. Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me
I ordered some white Euro pillowcases to go on these big pillows from Amazon, and I'll be linking those down below as well. I got these red ones for Christmas on Amazon too, and it was only $13 for both of them, so it was a really good deal, but I thought I wanted something more neutral for the winter months, but I am going to leave this Buffalo Check comforter on there. It's by the brand, the big one from Kohl's, and it is so cozy. I absolutely love it. And then the last thing I'm going to do before cleaning my floors is lint roll the couch. There was so much glitter and stuff on the couch that it needed it pretty bad. So then I sprayed the couch down and my curtains with a spray by Caldrea. It's just a linen spray in the rosewater driftwood. And that is all for this video. All I did after this was do the floors. So stay tuned if you want to see a new mop that I got for my floors. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and make sure to like this video. I would love to have you guys to stick around, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
I know you.
Oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.